Right there. There it is. All right, now we're finding these really easy, I know. The participants button. Now you're in a meeting, okay? You've got another person in there with you, haha. And you want to see who's in there, who else is in there, what's going on. So at the bottom here, you can see participants and the number that it's got next to it. There's just the two of us. It's me and another person. So when I click that open, this will give me the list of the both of us here right next to each other. Now, I have the option of muting myself from here, or I could mute this other person, except they don't have a microphone. And what's happened is they haven't signed into computer audio yet. So once they do, you can ask them. And once they're signed in, you'll see their microphone icon up there. And now you'll be able to ask them to unmute and then to also mute them afterwards. So that's an important piece about the participants list, is to know that you can look up here and see whether somebody's connected or not. And that will kind of help you troubleshoot if there's any problems. Real quick, at the bottom, you'll see these three little dots, and that's called an ellipsis. And that brings up some duplicate security settings about how your meeting behaves. So I've got it set to mute participants when they come in, and then you've got these other, this is where you can enable and disable the waiting room from. So it's just some redundant controls so that you can always reach what you're looking for relatively simply. So the participants list, that's it. So go find some friends, get them in a meeting, say hello, and you can change your name and have fun with that. Okay. So that's it for now. And as always, have fun and learn.